Penfield, this is Pete. Just here to remind you that you go up on the blue ramp.
Hey everybody, it's Paul here from PFTV. Just a reminder that you should be walking down the gold ramp. Hey everybody, it's Paul here from PFTV. Just a reminder that you should be walking up the gold ramps.
Hi everybody, this is Pete from PFTV, telling you to walk down the blue ramp. So, if you've all